I've seen them build on borrowed light, call it their own. Smiles rehearsed, truth buried in tone. Hands clean outside, the weight don't lie. I read what they hide when they won't meet your eyes. No witness, no help, just nights that extend. Silence so loud, reshaped who I am. I didn't bend, didn't trade what I feel. Kept every scar just to prove it was real. You talk about rise, I watched what it cost. Most of you win, but already lost. The day I see someone from the ground, no mask, no deal, no turning around. Kept every value under the weight, on every shadow, every mistake. Then maybe I stay, maybe I heal, maybe I let you come a bit near. But I've been watching, I've been through. That person never looked like you. You follow the noise, I'm moving the low. Don't need a crowd to know where I go. I seen the sweet, seen the fly get sold. Hearts going quiet just to fit the mold. Stayed in the fire, I carried the weight. No shortcuts, taking no rewrite of fate. Every mistake got a piece of my name. I wear it clean, I don't shift the blame. To speak about truth, I hear the gap between what you say and how you act. Babe, I see someone from the ground. No mask, no deal, no turning around. Kept every value under the weight, on every shadow, every mistake. And maybe I stay, maybe I heal, maybe I let you come a bit near. But I've been watching, I've been through. That person never looked like you. No pause, no stage, nothing to prove. Built in the dark, so I don't have to move. You chase being seen, I chose being true. Today I see someone hold their ground, who silence, who lost, still unbound. Didn't fold when the pressure came in. Didn't dilute what they had within. Maybe I stay, maybe I hear, maybe I let you come a bit near. Until that day I keep it smooth. I keep my distance from all of you.